bestinlinemerch.com. Bangkok, the vibrant heart of Thailand, is a city that never sleeps. It's a place where ancient temples meet modern skyscrapers and where street food stalls tantalize your taste buds at every corner. If you're planning your next trip to this bustling metropolis, I've got some ultimate travel hacks that will make your experience unforgettable and, dare I say, a little easier. First things first, let's talk about the essentials. You absolutely need a good travel backpack. I can't stress this enough. A sturdy, spacious backpack will be your best friend while navigating the chaotic streets of Bangkok. Look for one that has multiple compartments so you can easily access your travel documents, snacks, and, of course, your trusty power bank. Trust me, you'll want to keep your phone charged to capture all those Instagram-worthy moments. Now, when it comes to getting around, forget the idea of hailing a taxi on the street. Instead, download the Grab app. It's like Uber, but for Southeast Asia. With just a few taps on your phone, you can summon a ride, and the prices are usually reasonable. Plus, you'll avoid the awkwardness of bartering with taxi drivers who may not speak much English. Just remember to have a local SIM card for data. It's a small investment for a huge convenience. Speaking of convenience, let's talk about food. Bangkok is a food lover's paradise, and you'll find street vendors selling everything from pad thai to mango sticky rice. Here's a hack. Always look for the stalls with the longest lines. This is a good sign that the food is fresh and delicious. And don't be afraid to try the local dishes. Your taste buds will thank you. Just carry some hand sanitizer in your bag, because street food can be a little messy. And you want to keep those hands clean for all the eating you'll be doing. Now, let's discuss the weather. Bangkok can be hot and humid, so pack lightweight, breathable clothing. But here's the kicker. The air conditioning in malls and restaurants can be quite chilly, so I recommend bringing a light sweater or shawl. It's all about layering, my friends. And don't forget a good pair of walking shoes. You'll be doing a lot of exploring, whether it's the Grand Palace or the bustling markets. Comfortable footwear will save your feet from the inevitable aches and pains. Another essential item for your trip is a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is key, especially in the heat. Many places in Bangkok have water refill stations, so you can save money and reduce plastic waste. Plus, you'll feel like a responsible traveler, and who doesn't want that? When it comes to shopping, you'll find everything from high-end boutiques to local markets. A little tip: always negotiate. Haggling is part of the shopping experience in Thailand, and you might be surprised at how much you can save. Just remember to keep it lighthearted and fun. It's all part of the adventure. Now, let's not forget about cultural etiquette. When visiting temples, dress modestly. A lightweight scarf can double as a wrap for your shoulders, or a head covering, which is often required. Also, remember to remove your shoes before entering any sacred space. It shows respect and is a common practice throughout Thailand. Lastly, take the time to immerse yourself in the local culture. Attend a traditional Thai dance performance or take a cooking class. These experiences will not only enrich your trip, but also create lasting memories. So, as you prepare for your Bangkok adventure, remember these travel hacks. Pack wisely, stay hydrated, and keep an open mind. The city is waiting to be explored, and with a little preparation, you'll be well on your way to an unforgettable journey. Happy travels! Like and subscribe.